This morning we have Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission here to teach us another fun, fantastic recipe in the month of July. Today we're making 1, 2, 3 snack mix.
We're going with the theme that we've had all month of getting kids in the kitchen. And I have some measuring things here, but oh my goodness, it's so good to teach kids math skills by measuring. And this would be even for the little ones.
Oh, sure.
We have a wonderful guide on our website. It's called The Thrill of Skill. And you can download it. It's from the Home Baking Association. It starts out at age 2, telling you what kids can do in the kitchen. Really helpful for mom and dads. So we start out, well, tell kids to wash their hands first.
Yes.
We want to have good safety first. But then we want to use a big bowl.
Right.
Because then that makes it easy for mom and dad for cleanup.
Certainly
and
does.
It helps kids too. So you're going to start adding things. And I was telling you, I've been at the ballpark with my grandchildren. And this is such a great snack mix to put together for kids to have when they're out doing things, going on vacation, whatever they need a snack. So rather than going to the store and buying it, you could put this all together and save some money.
Absolutely.
All right. So we'll start out with some crackers that we have here. And these are just animal crackers.
Delicious.
And you can get whole wheat. Yes. These are bunny crackers that we have that add some fun. I love these. We all know the fish, and they add lots of colors. And then we have here some of the roasted edamame.
Yes.
And look for the package because it comes with wasabi too. So kids might not want that, but a soybean farmer on the tractor might like to have this for a snack. And then have that wasabi. This is roasted soy nuts. And you might find honey glazed ones too in the store with add a little more sweetness. Then we have some raisins, soy yogurt covered raisins there. And then the fruit. This is the dried apricots. But kids, you could pick whatever ones you wanted. Use some scissors and cut them into smaller pieces. And then I got this here because this is a package of dried mixed fruit. So if you want to add that in, then you're getting more than just the one kind of fruit there. Then we're going to just take this, let the kids stir it. They love to stir.
They certainly do.
So that kind of mixes it up, but look how colorful that is. Then I have these little shortbread cookies, and sometimes in the store I can find them with letters on them, and I love that have the letters of the alphabet. But take these little cookies and then just stick them in there so they have something extra. And there you have it, a nice mix. And we have it over here with the measuring things to remind people, and then of course the book we've been offering this month.
Absolutely, Charlene. If people want to find the book, they also want to get information on those skill sets that you mentioned for kids. Where can they do so, and where can they get this recipe?
Yes, go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. But if you'd like the book, you need to call. We're offering this month, and we'll send it to each family. So call and say, I want to have the Pod to Plate book. And that would be at 877-KS Soybean.
Wonderful, Charlene. As always, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stick around. We'll be right back.